Hello, Mrs. May. When you see this, just think of me. Think of your class of 4. We got Jack, Don, Logan.
I saw somebody.
See you later. Smooches. Stop reading that thing. It's awful.
Here I go. All right, so today on page 153, it says we're going to talk about relations. And I don't know, I think if I would have written this book, I would have put this section first. But it says in the book, a relation is just any set of ordered pairs. Nothing special about it, it's just ordered pairs. So you have this big group of relations, a big group of ordered pairs. And inside that group is a special little group of ordered pairs called functions. So any ordered pair is a relation. Inside a special group of ordered pairs is called functions. And on page 153 it says, a function is a relation or an ordered pair in which all the ordered pairs have different first coordinates. Different first coordinates. So if you look over here, what they want you to tell is whether or not it's a function. Whether or not it's a function. If you look over here, probably be nice if you could see over there. If you look over here, they have different first coordinates. Do these have different first coordinates?
Yeah.
They all have different first coordinates, correct?
Yes.
Correct? So you don't even need to worry. If they have different first coordinates, this is called a function. They're all relations, but if they have different first coordinates, it's a function. Is this one a function?
No.
And here's the thing. It says over there, one x value can be paired with only one y value. Well, if 1 is paired with 1, that's all we can have. 1 can't be paired with 0 as well. So this one, not a function. Not a function, because I have 1, 0, 1, 1. They have the same first coordinate, that's not allowed. So if you have ordered pairs, you just have to look and see if the first coordinate's different. If they're different, it's a function. If the first coordinates are not different, it's not a function. Got that part?
Yes.
So then another way they could ask you is if they put it like this in these set notations, kind of. What you have to be careful of, what you want to check for, is that 1x maps to only 1y. So x, it goes to 1y. X goes to 1y. X goes to 1y. Is that a function then? Yes, right? 1x goes to 1y. 1x to 1y. 1x to 1y. That is a function. How about this one? 1x goes to 1y. 1x to 1y. 1x to 1y. Who thinks it's a function? Raise your hand.
I do, and so does the clock. I did
Yes, I gathered that much. So is that a function? Yes. 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 Shh. Yes, it is a function. Cover that up. How about this one? Is this a function? Well, right off the bat, the very first point, x goes to 0 and x goes to 2. It says right here, one x value can map to only one y value. How many y values does this map to? 2. So it's not a function, right? This is a no, not a function.
Yeah.
What about this one?
No.
1x goes to 1y. 1x goes to 1y. 1x goes to 1y, 1x goes to 1y, 1x goes to 1y. Is that a function?
Yeah.
It doesn't say anything over here about going to the same y. As long as every x only goes to 1y, it is a function. The minute you have an x going to two different y's, then it's not a function. So every x has to be paired with only one y. It doesn't matter if they're paired with the same y, they just can only be paired with one y. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Questions so far? So how to tell if you have these set notations? How to tell if you have ordered pairs? How do you tell if it's a function or not if you have a graph? Well, you use something called the vertical line test. And to use the vertical line test, you need to know what a vertical line is. Which way does vertical go? Straight up and down. And here's how you tell. It is a function if when you pass a vertical line over the graph of that function, or what you think is a function, this vertical line can pass your graph, cross your graph in only 1 point. Do you see? 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 point. You know what that means? That means that this one is a function. How about this one? 1 point, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 point. Is it a function? It is a function. How about this one? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That one's a function. How about this one, the curved one? That's a sine curve. That's fun. How about this one? No, because it crosses in 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. This one's not a function. How about this one? How about this one?
Yeah.
Function. How about this one?
No.
Right. As soon as you have one spot, that's all it takes is one spot where it crosses in more than one. So that one's not a function. That's a not. So that's all I have for you today. That's my whole lesson. When you do the assignment on page 155 and 156, I would like you to disregard the directions, page 155, 156. I'm not really sure what they say, but listen, stop. I want you to just tell if it's a function or not. That's all I want you to do is tell if it is a function or not a function. That is all. Did I ask if there were questions? Are there any questions? Does anyone have a question? Hope you all have a good weekend.
What do you get? The heat off the road.
You know, I almost did one night.